Hey everyone, so today I'm reviewing the Spalding men's athletic training jogger pants. These jogger pants are 100% polyester, so very thin and comfortable material, not a lot of weight, so that you allow for like more ease of movement and comfortability in terms of sweat, when you sweat a lot. So these are 100% polyester, and this particular size that I have here is a large, and the size chart according to a large says it's about 33 waist, and I'm a 30 waist personally, and these fit just a little bit bigger, so the fit is just right, as it's pretty close to what is expected. So a medium will be perfect for like someone size 30. I always buy a little bit bigger personally. So yeah, so let me just go to the bottom here, and so you can see the cuffs. So these are meant to, for a little bit of a tighter fit around your ankles, so that they don't really get away in the way of your shoes or anything when you're running. These are perfect for running or activity or any kind of exercise. I even wear these casually. And like I said, when it gets very hot, these are polyester, so they're not way too hot, sweaty, like the cotton joggers are. So let me just go to here right quick. You can see there is a hole, there's a rip right here, and so in terms of how I got that, I was actually working with tools and stuff. So if I was just doing a regular workout, I probably wouldn't worry about that, but just know that anything with some kind of tools or sharp edge, they can maybe easily rip with that. So just so you know. So these also have pockets on the side, pockets on both sides. Oh, sorry, it just fell down a little bit. There's pockets on both sides, but there are no back pockets. That's probably my only gripe with this. My main gripe is that there's no back pockets, as you can see. So in terms of casual wear, if you want to wear this casual, maybe put something and usually put stuff in your back pockets or something, just know that these don't have it. So that may not be an inconvenience for most people. It kind of is for me, but it's not too big of a problem. So, but just know that it doesn't have back pockets. So if you prefer to have front and back pockets, just know that it only has front pockets. These also have drawstrings. They come with these drawstrings right here, so that even if you buy a size that's a little bit bigger than your waist and maybe hangs off your waist a bit, you can always use the drawstring right there to tie it up, and then it should fit right nice and well. So in terms of size, I would recommend getting the size that you actually are, because it'll fit a lot better. I have a size bigger than mine. That's just my personal preference, because I never know what I'm gonna get in terms of size. Sizes are different for each pair, but with these, the sizes are pretty accurate, so you can go ahead and get the size that fits you the best. Now these of course are a different color that I have, but they're the same brand, they're the same athletic jogger pants, but they're a different color. But they also come with a sort of different design. So as you can see, this design here is different here, and then there's also this pattern on the side here with the white and black sort of stripe, where this one only has a gray stripe. But the biggest difference here is it's still the same, it's two front pockets, no back pockets, as you can see. Still the same in that regard, but the biggest difference here is in the bottom, the cuffing on the bottom, where it's like this. It's a little bit of a looser fit, whereas this one is sort of a tighter fit, you know, that fits tighter around the ankle. Whereas this, yeah, as you can see, that's a lot looser. That personally doesn't bother me, but in terms of wear and tear, I've shaved these. This gray pair is, as you can see here, it stains a little bit easier, and the wear and tear from washing and drying is beginning to show, is more apparent, as you can, if you can see here, and also down here. So you see the material of the polyester showing more wear and tear than you actually see on the black pair. So the black pair is a little more durable, even though it has that rip. But in terms of the material starting to, you know, degrade, this gray pair is a lot faster in that regard. So I would consider that when you buy these, when you're choosing the pairs. There's also different colors. There's other colors, but yeah, these are nice. I say as a whole, these are worth the price. You can get these as low as $20, and they're comfortable. You can wear them casually. You can wear them when you're active. Doesn't matter. They're pretty great for the price. So I would definitely recommend. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.